In this video, we will be adding subjects to our departments. To begin, we go to Admin area in our main navigation. Under Admin area, we will look for Subject Master. In Subject Master, top right, we will then add Subject. We will begin with our department. For this video, we will be looking at Grade 1. The subject we will be adding is Language Arts. We then write under name Language Arts. And because we're doing Grade 1 and we're doing Language Arts for Grade 1, we will then add the numeral 1 and then save. There you have it. You have now added your first subject. Let's go ahead and add one more. So we have Integrated Studies for Grade 1. You can see it's Integrated Studies for Grade 1 by the number 1. We have Language Arts. So now let's go ahead and add Math. So we go to Add Subject. We choose our department, Grade 1. And then under Subject area, right where it says Name, we're going to add Mathematics. And it's for Grade 1, so we'll add the numeral 1 and then save. It's as easy as that for the primary school. It's the same thing in the infant school. You would choose your department and then you would choose the subject you're going to put down and ensure that at the end of that subject you have a number or letters aligned to the department. See you in the next video.